start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon, and today's topic it is in our hands. The Talmud states in Yoma 9b, the second temple was destroyed because of sinas chinam, baseless hatred. To what Lashon Hara is a prime contributing factor. If this sin had the power to destroy the existing temple, surely it has the power to prevent the new temple from being built. That's a very strong statement. So if it was it was strong enough to destroy the temple, so for sure it can prevent the next temple from being rebuilt. Therefore, one who will strengthen himself regarding Shmiras Haloshon and will inspire others to do the same will surely earn for himself inestimable merit. Meaning, in some sense, this person would be referred to as the one who has contributed to the building of the temple. The coming of Mashiach is literally in our hands. The Zohar Hadash states in Parashas Noach 23:3 that a single congregation can merit to bring about the final redemption by internalization of equality, of peace in a desired way. It is impossible to merit. So basically, it's a very strong statement. And some people say, yeah, that's enough. Even one, then even if there is a peace in one congregation, it would be enough to bring Mashiach. So guess what? If you dig it deeply, so you understand. So because there is no Mashiach, and there is no peace even in one single congregation. So it always strives this group of people against this group of people. These people like Rabbi, these people do not like Rabbi, like Gabbai, do not like Gabbai, and stuff like that. So it's very interesting. But any congregation, any 10 Jews can actually bring the Mashiach, for sure. It is impossible to merit the quality of peace without first ridding ourselves of baseless hatred and Lashon Hara. Okay. Whoever will strive to rid himself of these sins will have the share in the building of the third temple. So peace comes from the first step is try to not to talk Lashon Hara. Okay. Were we to be granted the opportunity to build temple today, and all that were lacking was money, surely each one of us would come forth, contributed generously. Who would not want to share in the temple's construction? In truth, it is not money that is needed. Rather, that each of us must do is to uproot baseless hatred from within ourselves. That's a lot, right? Money is not an issue. I refrain from speaking Lashon Hara and acquire quality of peace. How exalted will be those who merit these accomplishments. For when Mashiach will appear and the temple will be built, it will become known that they played an important role in bringing this about. And Mashiach is going to name all of these people who helped the rebuilding of the temple in not speaking Lashon Hara by name. Okay, stop here.